Hello, I wanted to tell you about this package that we've put together for wellcure students. So this is basically for cleansing, protection and nourishment for winters. For cleansing, we have a face pack which you can make with sandalwood powder and rose water. For protection, we have a facial mist which you can use to spritz and tone your skin, which you can do with rose water or with ice cubes. And then for moisturization, we have a blend of oils, moringa oil and hemp seed oil. You blend them together, you make a make a mix in equal proportions, and then you apply it post cleansing and toning. So you do this process, it's CPN, cleansing, protection and nourishment. You follow this on a daily basis, there would be no dryness and your skin will always be baby soft in winters. So do try it out and do share your feedback with me. Thank you. Bye.